Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing an in-depth reading for you, Scorpio. Let's see how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect now in this connection. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Scorpio, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Scorpio, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. So Scorpio. Oh. Scorpio, for me, I'm setting down two sets of cards here now. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your dialogue message cards, your action cards, etc. But during this reading, I will be mentioning this side is person A, this side is person B. If this is your story, you'll know which side you resonate best with. All right. So, Knight of Wands in reverse is your basis of this reading, Scorpio. So, this could be somebody not being able to take action as much as they want to, from what I see. There is a lack of, or somebody has just been behaving in a very immature manner in this connection, Scorpio, I'll be honest. So, what I'm going to do is, let me just see the cards first. So before we start this reading, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, Scorpio, what that would be. So Scorpio and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Scorpio and their person. Take a few more from here. Scorpio and their person. All right. So Scorpio, let's start your reading. The first card here says, Scorpio, you've helped me discover my psychic gifts. Thank you. Maybe there was a lot of hurt and pain in this connection, Scorpio, and sometimes when metal goes through fire, it becomes gold. So maybe one person, discovered their spiritual gifts because of this connection. Do you really believe I'm the one for you? You're much more attractive to me when you're empowered rather than when you're insecure. I've never experienced a love connection like this before. Please don't give up on me. I fell so deeply in love with you. I keep hearing songs and it always reminds me of you and I. And the last card here, Scorpio, says, it's hard because we can't seem to work out our differences. All right, Scorpio, if these messages are resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. See what my angels have to say to this reading first. My angels blessing, guidance, advice, or a message card for Scorpio, please. Optimism. Yes. You need to look forward, Scorpio. Stay optimistic about your life, your love life. I know somebody here on my left is very optimistic. They feel they can still work on this. But person B, maybe not. So I don't know what's going to happen. Let's see. Person A, let's see. 9 of Pentacles in reverse, spirit, for person A. 9 of Pentacles in reverse. And if you're looking for a personal reading, Scorpio, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. 9 of Pentacles in reverse, spirit. 9 of Pentacles in reverse. 9 of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, somebody is very dissatisfied with this delay now. They are taking a stock of everything that was done, not done. Um, they feel that person was very unemotional, or a liar, or rude, or harsh, or mean. When they look back, yes, they feel it's better to end a connection like this, because this connection never gave them happiness. There was absolutely no emotional happiness to be had in this connection, because they feel their partner was a bit of a narcissist, very unemotional, cold, um, hurting words were used maybe. And when person A remembers all that, of how much was done or not done in this connection, it doesn't motivate them to, they want to kind of keep this the way it is, stagnant. Yes, they feel there's too much of unrest in this connection. Maybe you guys have had some fights maybe in the past or something, and now person A feels that this is better. The way it is better, because Knight of Pentacles again. They don't want to lose their singleness, I think. If a person A is single at the moment, they don't want to lose being single to go back to a person who they feel things have already ended, and there have no good memories from there anyway. There was no emotional happiness there anyway. So, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Yes, I don't think person A is very interested. That's the feeling I'm getting. They don't want to give up their independence now to go back to a person who never really made them happy. They don't want to accept any offer. This connection is kind of gotten old and boring for them, I feel. Why is that, Spirit? Why do they feel like this? Knight of Cups and the King of Pentacles. They feel their person was always a promise breaker. They never kept any promises. They were always after material things. They were very stingy. They were very selfish. I'm sorry, Scorpio. I don't know where this reading is going, but I mean, look at the cards. King of Wands in reverse, Knight of Cups in reverse, and the King of Pentacles in reverse in the recent past. So no wonder person is kind of now not very interested in going back to a connection which never has given them emotional happiness. These are all cards of somebody being, very selfish and self-centered, breaking promises, flirting here and there maybe as well, always being very stingy and, more concerned with their brands and their money and their, material possessions. So, one more card, Spirit, for the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. What happened? Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. Yes, person A feels there is no solid ground to work on here. They feel being in this connection always weakened them instead of, oh my God, now this is the last straw. They feel that person was a trickster, is a magician in reverse, says things but never means them, always manipulates them. And not that they want to cut off they feel the person is never going to change. They feel the person is going to remain the way they are. There is no chance that they can ever grow up. Yes, this person, this goes on and on and on, doesn't it? So person A feels that the person is very foolish, makes very foolish mistakes and decisions, and is unwilling to change. So that's the reason person A feels this is ended, and I don't want to give up my independence to go back to a person who has never ever made me emotionally happy in the past. So how does person A feel about this connection now, Spirit, and about person B? This is how they saw them in the past. So now going forth, how do they see them? The World. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the World here? Yeah, I think person A feels that too many bad memories have been created in this connection now, at one time. Maybe you guys have known each other for a long time. So maybe at one time you guys were friends or things were good, felt like a soulmate connect. But now person A feels, what's the point? Such bad memories are created in this connection. Do I really want to put in any more work? Or is it better just to end this chapter altogether? Let me just start a brand new chapter, brand new cycle in my life. Do I really want to invest any more? Do I really want to put any more time or effort? Because all my past, efforts or investment has gone down the drain. It's never fruitified for me. So Ace of Wands, Ace of Wands, Ace of Wands, they feel it's better to go off for a brand new beginning, a brand new start of their own life. That'll be the just thing that can happen in this connection, because they feel that person doesn't love them, or they emotionally keep them stuck and tied to a connection where one person always feels abandoned and left out and never really in a good place. And the best part is I forgot to take your action cards. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out another deck from here and take out 2 action cards for you. So 2 action cards, Spirit, for Scorpio, one for person A. What is the most likely action? Okay, we'll do that later. Let's finish the reading first. So yes, this is what person A is feeling. They feel this will be divine justice if I now just leave them out in the cold, reject their love, and because yes, there was passion in this connection. They feel the person would only use them again, maybe for sex or passion, but where is the love? So let's see person B. Person B has the 4 of Cups in reverse. Now person B is feeling very, very disappointed. They're feeling depressed. They're feeling sad because they don't see person A messaging them or coming towards them with any love offer. They are not approaching them with anything stable or to say, hey, can we begin again? They are kind of very depressed at the moment. Yes, they also maybe see person A very successful and in the limelight maybe, or having victory in their own life, and not giving them attention, which is making them even sadder, which is making them even more depressed. They want, the heart of hearts, person B does want to person A to make a decision, to make a choice, and come back to them and maybe build with them again. But they're sad because they don't see any movement coming from person A at the moment. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? In the recent past, 9 of Wands in reverse. I think somebody stopped fighting for this connection. Yes, there was a lot of conflict here because somebody wasn't stable. Somebody was ungrounded, like person A is saying that my person was always into material things, or money was more important than anything else, and that kind of created maybe a lot of rift in your connection where one or both of you stopped fighting for this connection, and the star is in reverse, which means things just didn't go a right direction. Somebody lost hope in this connection, and I think person B got released. I think person A probably released person B in the past because they realized that none of my wishes are coming true with person B. So how does person B now see this connection, or see person A now? Person B is going through a lot of depression, Scorpio. I don't know which side you're on. 4 of Swords in reverse. This person is very restless, very depressed. Why is that, Spirit? Why is that? because they feel their person doesn't trust them anymore, is still angry with them, will never come towards them. They feel my person has become person A has become very hard now, and very opinionated about them. They have made their choice for themselves in their life, and they are suspicious of them, they don't trust them. They are no longer loving and kind towards them, and that makes person B feel very, very depressed and sad. Three of Wands in reverse, Spirit. How does person B feel about the connection? Three of Wands. Three of Wands is clarified by the Three of Wands. Not that it's a very big help, but it does say that this card is important. Why is that, Spirit? Three of Wands in reverse. Three of Wands in reverse. Oh, this person wants to return. This person wants to return. They are seeing nothing in their future now. They feel a big void when they look into their future, their life ahead, and they feel nothing is there without person A anymore. They do wish that person A would return back to them. They want to be their emperor once again. They want to take back charge and control and put everything back together the way it was. They basically want to turn the clock back. So now let's see what action person A will take. So person A, will you take any action towards person B? What's the action you'll take towards person B now, Spirit? Knight of Wands, Knight of Swords, and I think person A is happy with the decision to Person A, what action will you take? They're very confused. They feel I have so many options in front of me. Do I really want to commit back to somebody who is very immature, who's always behaved in a very rash manner, like the Knight of Swords, like the Knight of Wands, immature energy? Do I really want to be in a commitment with this person, or should I check out my other options? Let me take another one. Any other action from person A's end, Spirit? Any other action from person A's end? No, Ace of Wands. This person is, I think, already made some plans. Ace of Wands has come out twice for them. I think person A has already made some plans to have a passionate, creative, new beginning where they can be optimistic about their life. They are not very sure whether they want to go back to a place which has always been stop, go. They feel this really confuses me. I am not sure whether I want to be once again, or maybe get into a commitment with person B. I'd rather see what other options are out there, because I want some newness in my life. Person B, will you take any action? Person B, will you take any action towards person A? One more. So what are they wishing for? Person B is, I think, kind of wishing and praying and hoping. I think they've kind of lost hope that there can be a reconciliation, because they know that emotionally person A has already walked away from the connection. Am I right, Spirit? They see that person as being very happy alone. They do want to come out of, they know they've made some foolish mistakes here. They do want to apologize, but they're not sure. They're not sure whether they are praying. They are wishing, they are hoping. They do want to apologize to person A. They know that they've made some very unwise decisions in their life, but they feel that, my person seems to have already emotionally walked away from this connection and is looking very happy, single, abundant, doing very well on their own. So they're kind of not sure whether a reconciliation is even possible now. So, yes, that's all I have for you at the moment. Any advice, Spirit, for these people? Any advice? One card. Any advice? I think you guys should work on a working relationship first. There is a possibility for you guys to have a brand new beginning. Yes, a Fool card is here. There is a possibility of you guys to work things out once again. To what degree, I can't say right now. Can it ever reach that full commitment, Spirit, or what is this working relationship? Six of Swords. Yes, at least to be able to get over your conflict and get over all this tension or bad memories, or forgive each other and move to at least a calmer and happier and peaceful place between the two of you. At least start with that, because that is a possibility. As much as person A is happy on their own, person B is realizing their mistakes, maybe it's time to forgive and forget, right? And just kind of find peace first. And then who knows? Who knows what can happen? All right, so that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.